Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabrielle and today I am going to be opening my April Boxycharm box. Now, I'm still pretty early because April isn't over yet, so don't judge me. But today I have my Boxycharm box right here, and they kind of played me this month because my Boxycharm came in a bag. I just put it in last month's box for it to look a little cute. So here it is. Now, if you didn't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. You can choose between the base box, which is this box right here. This is the size of the base box. It comes with 5 full-size products in here. Or you can choose to have the premium box, and every 3 months there's a luxe box that you upgrade for an extra 25 bucks. So I just have the normal base box because I find it to be a steal. You have 5 full-size products from well-known brands that you get every month. It could be a mix of skincare and makeup. It could be just makeup, just skincare. It all depends on the profile you do whilst filling out your info for your box and your preferences. So mine is a little bit of a mix, so I just wanted to show you guys my April box because everybody's box is different. I mean, yes, there's similar items and sometimes items do repeat, but every month you have a choice item to add to your box. And I didn't do a choice for my April box, but I did for my May box. So this is just what they sent me based off of the profile that I created when I just started my subscription. So if you want to see what's in my April box, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is my box right here. It just says Boxycharm. It normally just comes like this in the mail. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. It comes with 2 cards telling you all about the info of your products inside, the cost, and all that jazz. Mine did not come with one of those cards this month, but normally the products that are featured in the box are normally double the value of the box. I think the base box equals to $120 if I'm not sure. You can check it on the site. I have a link down below if you're interested to sign up or just check it out. So in my box this month, I got an Elemis. This is a superfood cleansing foam. So this is a part of my skincare portion of the profile that I filled out. I love cleansers, I love exfoliators, I love anything to deep clean my face because I do a lot of makeup videos and I really like to have my base as clean as possible. So in this box, this is the Festival Vibes box. We all know that the festival this year got cancelled because of the disease that shall not be named. In this box, however, there is the Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Face Primer. Looks like this. The Elmis Superfood Cleansing Foam. The iconic London Illuminator. I guess this is this guy here. Lavish 5-piece neon eyebrow set. This right here. And the Illuminati Cosmetics Gel Paint Duo in electric pink and blue. Now these look like eyeliners. So there you have it. So let's just read a little bit about each product. It's a pretty cool box this month. I mean, they mixed it up with the skincare. It's all based on the profile that you fill out when you now subscribe to the Boxycharm. In my case, I did the base box. So I like a little bit of skincare and makeup, preferably makeup, but I still like my skincare. I mean, without a good base, you can't have good makeup. So I like to have those kind of products to clean my face well. So I'm excited to try the cleansing foam that's in there. So let's just start with the Benefit Professional Face Primer. Now, this is a cult favorite. Everybody and their mother has this or knows about it. So this is supposed to be a quickly minimizing pore filling primer that minimizes the appearance of fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply this silky lightweight balm alone under or over makeup. Over makeup? Not sure about that. The translucent formula contains a vitamin E derivative known to protect skin from free radicals. So let's just open it up. this is what it comes in, a little tube with the cute benefit packaging we all know and love. Bright colors. Let's do a little smell test. It does have a scent, but it's like a skincare kind of SPF scent, so I can't wait to try this. So this is the Benefit Pore Filling Primer. I know they have a hydrating version to this, so if you're more of a dry skin kind of person, you can check out the hydrating version to this. So next, we have our Superfood Cica, C-I-C-A cleansing foam. This is this guy right here. I love the packaging. It's a bright green. It makes me want to go wash my face right now. So the description of this is, this unique foaming cleanser is packed with nourishing superfoods to help calm and hydrate skin while lifting makeup, dirt, and grime. I have a lot of that. This soothing formula helps to comfort skin caused by dehydration and leave skin with a fresh looking complexion. And it retails for $32. Oh, this guy is an expensive guy. It's right up there with the Ole Henriksen and those kind of brands. So I can't wait to try this. Oh, and if I didn't mention, the Professional Primer is also $32. So we're already past the value of our box just with one product. So it's pretty cool. I mean, if you're now getting into makeup and skincare, it's a pretty good subscription box to have. Also, if you're a pro, I mean, it gives you the opportunity to try out products you wouldn't normally try or normally think to try, so that's another plus. Okay, so let's just move on to the next product. I'm rambling. It's the Iconic London Illuminator. So this is just a highlighting drop kind of deal. So it just looks like this. It comes with a little dropper like that. Let's just test some out. Wow, that's very pretty, and the texture is nice. It doesn't feel oily or slippy. There you have. It's like a, to me, it's like a subtle glow. It's not really that blinding, but I'll try this out, and I can show you guys if you want in a tutorial. But it feels definitely like it dries down to a powder, so that's nice. It doesn't seem like if it's going anywhere. I can take a clean finger and nothing comes off, so that's good. The next product is the Lavish 5-piece Neon Eye Brush Collection. I've never heard about this brand, but I can't wait to try it. I love new brushes, so a must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look, and that retails for $30. The Iconic Illuminator, whoa, that retails for $41. What does it do? I don't know, but that's pretty pricey for this little bottle. So the 5-piece brush collection looks like this. It comes in a cute little package like this. Neon, I love neon, so I'm excited about this. Here they are. I mean, they don't feel that, you know, heavy or expensive, but it's $30 for 5, so that's a pretty good deal. But I just love the neon, and the brushes do feel a little stiff, except for this one. This one is the fluffy one, but the rest is pretty stiff. Like this pencil, I would poke my eye out with this, how stiff it is. I'm gonna give these a try. I mean, it's new brushes, pretty colors, so that's cool. The next product is, and actually this is our final product, is the Illuminati Cosmetics Gel Paint Duo in electric pink and blue. And it comes in a little package like this. So let's just rip her open. And they look like these, just black writing, and you can see the color based on the writing that's on the actual product, so that's pretty cool. Oh, and it's those eyeliners that you just sharpen. So let's just do swatches of these. So this is the blue, electric blue. Oh, that's pretty. It's a very unusual blue. And this is the electric pink. and they're very creamy. Look at that pink. Oh my god, so gorgeous. So that's it for the Boxycharm box this month. I can't wait to try the products inside, especially this guy right here, the foaming cleanser. I'm just gonna go and use it and take off this face right now and see how it works. I'll let you guys know down below how it worked. And if you're interested to sign up for Boxycharm, I'll leave a link down below you can use to go straight to the site, read up about their products, and you can fill out your own profile and get started with your monthly subscription. It's a great subscription box. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I'd love to hear what you thought about the video in the comments. Until next time, see you guys later. Mwah!